Yeah, guys, I just wake up right now and it's about 9 a.m. I think. Yeah, so today is it's raining in the morning, so I'm not going to the exercise right now, but also I was only taking the warming up for the cardio or push up and a little bit the home exercise, and yeah, today is Sunday and weekend that I'm not going outside, but I will learn something new about the video view in the Android Studio. And right now that I have a friend, he's UI UX designer, and we will do some collaboration with him. But right now, have to learn the Adobe XD first, because I will take the part of code and he will take a part of design. Look at him. Hi, Setio. Yeah, so you have to learn the design experience first in the Adobe XD, and so then after that we can do some collaboration. Okay. So while waiting for him, I want to tell you something, kids. Wait. So I want to tell you something about how can you improve your design skill or development skill every time. So in the weekend you have Saturday and Sunday. Okay, in the morning you can take your smartphone, either iPhone or Android. So then after that you can go to Play Store or Google Play Store or App Store, and you have to install the new application that you never used previously. So then after that you will learn their own experience, their own development, their animation, and a lot, so that you can renew your curriculum or your resume for better design. So I'm gonna show you the example of my friends. Yeah, so as you can see here, Setio just updating their design for resume. Wow, looks nice, right? So this is the things that you can do at the weekend. So then after that you can improve your own design skill and your own development skill. And he's practicing his design skills. So if you think that the weekend is good to resting, I think no. So why don't you improve your own skill to get the better experience in the design or in the development? So while waiting for him, I'm going to breakfast because I'm so hungry, and then we will meet again after he's ready. So bye.